Hey everybody, and welcome back for another guitar session tutorial. Today I'm super excited because I get to share with you a song by a band that had such a big influence on me growing up. This is one of my favorite bands of all time, so I'm super excited just to give you an acoustic version of this song. It's a punk band, nonetheless. It's No Use for a Name. The song I'm going to be going over is Dumb Reminders. Such a great song. Every song by this group, by Tony, was just so meaningful. Lyrics, everything, melody, overall tone, just super meaningful, and had such a huge impact on my life and growing up. So I'm glad that I get to share this with you guys today. So there's really 5 parts to this song that we're going to go over. We have an intro and a verse, very similar to each other. Then we have the pre-chorus and the chorus and the outro. So those are the 5 songs or parts of the song that we're going to go over and learn, and we're going to put it all together, and we're going to put it in context for you and show you how to play it. So let's get in a little closer and see what we're going to need to break this song down. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what we're going to need to start this song off. Looking into the intro, we're going to need 4 chords. We're going to start off with D. We're going to move that to a B minor. Then we're going to go to A, to G. We're going to go ahead and play that twice for the intro, so that's going to sound like this. See there at the end, I kind of just used my pinky to mute the strings here and did a little chicka chicka going into the verse. Alrighty, so now the verse is just going to be 2 parts. The first part is the same as that intro lick. So we're just going to continue the D, B minor, A, and G. But after we chicka chicka into that, we're just going to play it quietly, and we're gonna bring the vocal in. The second time we're going to play it, it's D, B minor, G, and then A. That portion of the verse is going to be played a little heavier. And so pretty much all we're doing is switching the G and the A at the end. So we're just swapping those few chords. So it's kind of the same thing. So coming out of the intro, we're going to go into the verse here. I'll go ahead and play the intro into the verse here to give you a little bit of context how I do that. Then I rang it off the hook. I didn't get you till 1 a.m. Who was wrong and who was right? This distance caused a fight. Ready to give in. Alright, that's going to bring us into the pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus, we just need 4 chords. B minor, we're going to take that to an A, then to a D, and then to F sharp. Alrighty, so who was wrong and who was right? This distance caused a fight. Ready to give in. Honestly, I'd give anything. That's going to take us into the chorus. So the chorus, we're going to go ahead and break that into 2 parts as well. First part, we're going to start off on D. We're we're going to take that to a G, then to an A, and then to a D. So yeah, that's going to sound like this. This town's full of dumb reminders, having a good time, can't you tell? Alrighty, second part of the chorus. We're going to start off on B minor. We're going to take that to an A, to a D, and then to a G, and then to an A. So we have 5 chords, but we have a couple quick changes. So let me go ahead and play that whole chorus for you so you can hear it. Again, I'm going to give you context by mumbling the words. Not a singer, but I want to show you how these parts relate and go into each other. So this town's full of dumb reminders, having a good time, can't you tell? If I could give what time it's taking down, maybe then I could see this town is full of dumb reminders, having a good time, can't you tell? Hang up the phone and then I'll come back down. I hope you're doing. Alrighty, so I went ahead and played the second chorus there because the second time we get to it, it's twice as long. So I kind of mumbled the words there just to give you the context of that. Yeah, that is pretty much the entire song. So the only thing left we have is the outro. So coming out of that chorus, it's miss you, I hope you're doing. Miss you, I hope you're doing. Miss you, and I hope you're doing well. So what we did there is we just juggled that G, A, G, A, G, A, and then we end on the D. So that's pretty much the 5 parts that make up the song. You have the intro, verse, the pre-chorus, chorus, and the outro. So yeah, I hope I did a good job explaining that. If you do have any questions or need clarity on anything, always write it in the comments. I will respond to you. So please remember to like and subscribe to this channel and click that bell so I can keep giving you guys more tutorials like this. So I want to keep this channel going. I do a lot of different genres. I do a lot of different songs, just anything that pops up pretty much on a daily basis. Anything that pops up in my mind or something that I hear, something that influenced me, I'm gonna do a tutorial on it. So there's a lot of songs I played and learned over the years and played a lot of them live. So there's just a uniqueness to playing things on the acoustic guitar. So a lot of the times when I hear a song or learn a song, it's coming from a piano or like a punk band where you got an over distorted guitar, and we're taking it and we're putting it pretty much to the acoustic, and we're teaching you how to play it. So there's so many doors that you can go through when you play songs this way. So it's a really interesting and fun way to play and perform. So please like, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll keep this going for you. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.